Hola.
Hola. So we've just pulled up at parking to Autocaravans Benarraba.
Benarraba.
So there's a bit of changeable weather coming in. We thought we might just have a bit of downtime in one place again, but cheap. So this is costing us €20 with hookup and water and your own personal toilet dump and your own water dump for 3 nights.
Yeah, €20 for 3 nights. And when you've got the type of temperatures that you're getting out in these hills, you want your hookup. So, well, we want to save our gas, don't we? Yeah. So for us, whenever we can get hookup at these prices, wow, why wouldn't you? €20, and the view is stunning. I'm so looking forward tonight to just getting my chair out the back of my van, getting a glass of wine and sitting, watching the sun go down over those mountains.
Yeah, we're right slap bang in.
Oh, it'll be absolutely beautiful.
Malaga,
yeah.
Sierra de Malaga or Sierra de Malaga kind of area.
Yeah. Well, we could see the sea, which surprised us because we've been in the Sierra de Ronda, haven't we? Yeah. So it was absolutely beautiful, stunning and mountainous. And then we came over the top there and we were really, really, really surprised to see the sea behind those hills over there somewhere, weren't we?
We're going to wander into Benarraba and see what's there.
Yeah.
Come on then.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hiya, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Billy.
And this is our rescue dog,
Pablo.
Pablo.
So last year we decided to get married, jack our jobs in so we could travel more in our van. So if you want to see how we get on with that, just hit subscribe. It's completely free. We'll hopefully catch you on the road sometime.
Lots and lots for us to do around here. There's lots of walks on varying distances. I think the biggest one on there is 11.3k, varying altitudes. We're still in the Serrania Ronda, but here we've got a section of an ETAP, and it's only 8.51 kilometres. Obviously it'll be 8.51 back, won't it? And it's supposed to link a couple of really, really beautiful villages. So that sounds absolutely stunning. And one of the villages we'll go through is considered to be one of the most beautiful towns in Malaga. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I think we'll do that tomorrow.
So there's another sign here, isn't there? And why are you excited?
Why am I excited? Why am I excited? I know we ain't got cat and else chance, but I've just spotted the otters. Loads of
Hello.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. So the rain has finally stopped. I think Billy's just taken a little video over there and just showed you all the steam rising up from the forest. So yeah, it's been it's been our first wet morning, hasn't it?
Yeah, so we've been holed up.
Yeah. I've cleaned all the van, even though it's probably a pigsty again. Done my nails, phoned insurance.
Yeah.
Just had a pottery morning, haven't we? Watching TV.
I've done a video ready for going out, which probably not even be out until nearer Christmas now.
No, probably not, because we're quite ahead, aren't we?
We're doing so much, even at 2 videos a week.
It's hard to get it in, isn't it?
Yeah. So we're now just heading down to the village where Sanchez restaurant, which hopefully is open
I'm not invaded by the bus trip of kids that appeared this morning.
There's a huge busload
I'll
of
be
kids in
gutted
here.
if there's 30 kids in the restaurant because it ain't very big. Not that mine are kids, it's just it's not very big.
Yeah. This was our one chance after discussing in pidgin Spanish with them yesterday. I think I figured out it's open, but the kitchen shuts at 3.
Yeah, so we're going to go down, have some nice lunch, have a couple of beers, have a little wander around and then head back up, aren't we?
Yeah.
It wasn't a day for doing anything today, was it?
No.
No point at all.
We were lucky we did the ride yesterday.
Well, we knew the weather was going to turn. So, yeah, we just planned today, didn't we, like this?
Yep.
Hopefully it'll warm up again tomorrow because we're off swimming.
Yep, in the hot springs, but more of that to come. Right, let's
We'll
go.
let you know what the restaurant looks like.
Yeah, and if we turn this around, yesterday's ride was down from here, down into the valley, and then to that village over there.
Which might not look far, but when you up and down, you can't even see the bottom of the valley down there, I don't think, on that camera. But it was a massive, well, it was a 2-mile drop into the valley, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Didn't you?
So there does appear to be a shop, doesn't there, a little one?
I spotted it.
Yeah.
These mountain village shops are brilliant. They've got everything and they're so cheap. Even that little tiny one we went in yesterday had a butcher's. Didn't it?
Yeah. Do you need some fruit for your veg? Church is just down there, so we're on track.
Well, the only thing I'd really want if I wanted anything was raspberries. I can't see them having them in here, can you?
Well, let's have a look, shall we?
Right, then. So these mountain village shops are absolutely excellent and they're cheaper than supermarkets, aren't they? You can get everything you need in them and you don't have to worry about meals. You can cook proper food. They've got full range of fruit and veg, little tiny butchers, household stuff. Anything you want you've got in there. And but it were hilarious, wasn't it? Just all these conversations going on and I think half of it goes into house. But yeah, you don't have to worry about running out of stuff, do you? That menu's great.
Looking at the reviews, everybody said to come down for food at Andre Sanchez, so we're here.
Yeah.
Fortunately, it's not rammed like yesterday with all the school kids. It's nice and quiet, so we've got a menu, and the menu's in English, isn't it?
Yeah, underneath,
So we do have an English version of the menu, which is lucky because...
Well, no, I'd already been online and worked out what most stuff was, hadn't I, before we come down. So there's loads of snacks, there's loads of plates, you've got your usual stuff, so you've got all your fish dishes, you've got all like your little salady things, you've got your tapasy bits, or you've got your hot dishes, so you've got pork cheeks, you've got salmorejo de carne, which was like looked like a meaty, stewy thing, albondigas, or you've got croquettes, and then you've got baguettes, burgers.
We'll have a look and then order, shall we?
Yeah.
Right, my turn to look at the menu.
Go on then, you have a look then.
Well, stop missing work. We've retired from work. It doesn't matter. You don't have to monitor their Christmas do.
Darling, it's just popped up in me. Yeah, but for 30 years, right, for 30 years I've done catering. For 30 years, the primary thing in the whole year is Christmas. This is my first year off in 30 years.
So, food's turned up. Mine looks lovely. Yours isn't what you expected, is it?
But it's still very, very nice. So, because I'm just used to traditional albondigas, you know, where you get it in like a tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Whereas this is...
Gracias.
Gracias. This is coming some sort of gravy, but it's very, very nice. It's just not what I'm used to as albondigas, but I'm very happy with this.
And I've got some pork, a lovely succulent pork.
That is pretty lovely.
Yeah. So I think I've scored here.
Eh?
Scored here, haven't I?
Yeah, this is nice.
I think if you want a verdict on the food, look at the plates. So, this is Andre Sanchez down in the village.
Yeah.
Open weekdays from 10 till 5 and then 7 till
Midnight?
or 3 a.m. in the weekends.
Can you believe they open up at 10 o'clock on a Saturday and they don't shut till 3 in the morning? What goes on in this village?
But yeah, lovely and different.
We need to do a pog-off shop. And we can't, we've eaten it.
We were too greedy. Anyway, yeah, definitely come down if you stay here.
Oh, yeah. You've been drinking my beer?
Why are you looking the other way? I decided to swap them. I wondered how long it would take you to realise.
It took me a while to realise, I'll be honest. I thought, I could jump that.
I'm saving you from yourself.
That's fine, darling.
Taking one for the team.
That's fine. I'm happy, thank you.
So that's not a menopause sweat you've got on. Why are you sweating? No?
I've just steamed up that hill again.
Why have you had to go steam up that hill twice?
I left my phone face down on one of the chairs where we've just had our lunch.
Better drink your cold beer.
Boiled.
Better fill the shower up, isn't it? Sweaty Betty. I said there's big black clouds coming. It's going to get very wet. We should probably go back to Van. You said it'll be all right. What's it doing out there?
We're trapped. We're trapped, darling.
Peeing down the street. Fortunately, there's worse places to be trapped. We were on our way back from having food and we stopped for a couple of beers. And then he brought us some olives, so we stopped for another one. And it's peed down, and it's literally running down the street. Our van will probably come sailing past it shortly, having been swept away from the top of the hill. And we'll just see our van go past like that. Whoa.
It's definitely chucking it down out there. But you know what? It really hasn't mattered, has it?
It might matter shortly.
No, but what I mean is, today it hasn't mattered.
No, but
the weather's been rubbish,
That's
has
proper
it?
pissing down.
Yes, well, we're not leaving just yet, are we?
But we can't, can we? We're going out in that.
We've got a big brolly and waterproofs. We've got sensible winter clothes on.
I certainly ain't doing the toilet. Not in this. Well, it's not all sunshine and beaches, is it?
Not at all. But do you know what? We've had a lovely afternoon, haven't we?
Yeah. And we had an excuse to get holed up in the pub.
Yeah.
Because it was very, very wet earlier on.
Oh my God.
It's wet now, but it's not half as wet as it was earlier on.
It was chucking it down, wasn't it? So, but we knew it, so...
We're in the mountains.
Which is what
it
we
happens.
chose. Yeah. We chose the mountains, didn't we, for the rain?
Yeah. Back up to van, heating on.
God, have you heard us two huffing and puffing?
Tuck in for the night. See you later.
Bye.
So that was the lovely mountain village of Benarraba and an excellent value stopover. If you've enjoyed any of this, give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to see what else we get up to, then just hit subscribe. It's completely free. We're still catching up with some of the stuff we've done before we came back to the UK. See you on the road. Bye.